Welcome back, YouTube family, to another episode here in the free Amazon mini course. This is lesson number 8, and apparently if you guys don't know what bestseller rank is, here's the video for bestseller rank. And it might be a little confusing initially, but essentially bestseller rank is a product's current sales volume in relation to another product on Amazon in the same category. So in that specific time period. For example, if we're going into Amazon bestsellers in baby, this Newbie Ice Gel Teether Key is the #1 best-selling product in baby. This is number 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Okay, just as a good rule of thumb, anything under 100,000 in its main category, which these are the main categories here. You can see Amazon devices, Launchpad, appliances. Some of these I want to ignore too. When we really talk about main categories, we're talking about, baby, automotive, beauty, books, cell phone accessories, clothing, even though that one has a lot, computer and accessories, electronics, groceries, health and household, home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, skip Kindle store, kitchen and dining, skip these, musical instruments, office products, patio, pets, software skip, prime and pantry skip, sports and outdoors, tools and home improvement, and toys and games. So those are the main categories where if you find a product that's under 100,000 in its bestseller rank, in its main category, then it's safe to assume that that product is going to sell at least within the week. Now, it varies from category to category. For example, I think health and household is the best category, as in it's turning the fastest. Relative to industrial and scientific, it's going to sell much more. Okay. So that is what bestseller rank means. Now, you have to be careful of a couple things. Some products have no bestseller rank. For example, this product here, Solo Mercer. You're looking at it. You can know off the reviews that this product has sold in the past, but you just can't have a good estimate on what it's doing. And I'll pull up Jungle Scout, and Jungle Scout's not going to rank the product because it doesn't have a rank to base it off of. This product literally doesn't have a bestseller rank anywhere. So we're clueless, left to, we don't know whether or not this product is going to sell and how much it's going to sell. Now, what we could do maybe, because it has variations, is check under the different colors. So if I go ahead and go on the black one, maybe a rank will pop up, even though I don't see it here. And yeah, it doesn't have it. So this is an example of a product that doesn't have a rank. Now, brand new items typically don't have a BSR until the product at least has sold once. So when you first launch a private label product, let's say, you're not going to have a BSR. It's going to be nothing until you sell once, and then it's going to be at a very high number. The more you sell, it's going to decrease. Okay. When listings have variations and colors, let's put like baby shirts baby. When listings have variations and colors, if they're under clothing and accessories, not baby in this case, it's also going to be hard to determine whether or not the BSR is good for that product or not. Because let's say, and we'll use this as an example if I can see. So this item's BSR is 1,000 in clothing, which is actually very good. However, because it has different sizes, as we can see here, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months. So these are 2, 4, 6 variations. That 1,000 in clothing is divided amongst 6 sizes. So we don't know for sure either what the best-selling size out of those 6 are. It could be 12 months, but we would have to buy more inventory so that we can test, right? So that is, and also there's newborn, so I guess 7 variations, right? So those are some of the exceptions in BSR. New items don't have bestseller rank. Some categories have no BSR at all, as we saw. Items in clothing with variations, and now this doesn't even have color. If it had color, that would be 2 different variations. Or actually, it does have color. So there is the blue stripes, and then there's the orange stripes, right? So each of these has 7 colors or 7 sizes and 2 colors. So total of 14 variations under that one BSR. So we really don't know which colors are selling the best and which sizes are doing best. So those are just some expectations or exceptions in BSR to be aware of. In the next lesson, once we fully understood this BSR, we're going to go into profit margin and how is it that we actually calculate our margin and what's the difference between ROI and bottom line profit. I'll see you